Okay, so let's start from the beginning. This guy wants 6,000. So hard to write and record. 6,200 a month in income, and he's expecting his expenses to be 1,500 a month. And then he wants his annual return to be 8%. His vacancy, which is what I recorded in my other video, is 10%. So out of the whole year, 10% of the whole year, he expects that no one will be there. So what you want to do is calculate what's going to happen. So because this is based on annual return, you want to make sure that you convert these two into annual numbers, and you gotta do both. So you want to compare apples to apples. So in this case, if I do 6,200 times 12, his income is going to be 64,400 a year, and then his expenses are 1,500 a month. So if I do that times 12, that's gonna be 18,000. Now the vacancy part comes into play when it comes to his income, and the reason why is because all year he's gonna be earning income except the 10% when there's no one living in the house. So you want to figure out the income including the fact that somebody's not going to live there for 10% of the time. So the way you do that, you take this income, which is 74,400, and you deduct 10% of this. So you can calculate it by 74,400 times 0.1, and that's going to give you 7,440, because that 10% of the time, this is how much you would get in income, but because no one's going to be living there, no one's going to be paying rent, his income needs to be deducted by this amount. So you do 74,400 minus 7,440, which will give you an income on 66,960. So this is his income, right? So he still has to pay these expenses. So in order to come up with his net income, which means income after expenses, so net income, you would do 66,960 minus 18,000. All right, and then his net income then would be 48,960. And I'll send you the next part of the video next.